Hello everyone, welcome back to our study tips and tricks series. Today we're going to dive into an essential skill of creating a study schedule. Having a well-structured plan is the key to successful learning. Let's get started. Many hear some boys that they don't have a proper study schedule and they fail in the exam because of this only thing. So today I'm sure that this video will help you guys, and make sure that you have to be consistent with this study schedule plan. So let's get started. First, you have to set clear goals. What subject or topic do you need to cover? Then determine the available time you have each day for studying. Be realistic and consider other commitments. You don't have to make overscheduling or create a weekly plan. Allocate specific time slots for each subject or task, spreading them evenly. Don't forget to include short breaks between study sessions. Rest is essential for retention. Here are some tips to enhance your study schedule. Avoid overscheduling and stay flexible. Regularly review and adjust your schedule. And there you have it. Your personalized study schedule. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your plan, stay organized, and you will see amazing results in your studying. And so, thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more study tips. Happy